Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing I need to put about negative x squared. Later that we need to add back positive x squared. Next, this one we can put into x squared everything to the power of 3. Now we have the formula in here. So for this one, we need to transform into this one. Next, this one divide by this one, so we just have 1 over x squared plus 1. And this one we put x squared over x to the power of 6 plus 1. Now we know that this one we have octane of x. Now we need to consider about this one. So this one we can put x to the power of 3 everything to the power of 2. Later that we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to x to the power of 3. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 3x squared dx. Because we don't have number 3 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. So this one we change by u. x squared dx we change by this one. So the integration of this one, we have octane of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about x to the power of 3. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, we already know that. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.